What is going on, everyone? Jordan here, back with another video. Yeah, so I got these in the mail today. 2G7 27 inches. I think the most surprising thing about my new setup is that this will be the first time that I've actually got two of the exact same monitor. I'm that person that has gotten weird monitors over the last 10-15 years, just hooked them up over VGA, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, just anything. And at the moment I've got two Acer monitors. They're both 32 inches. One's a 1440p, one's a 1080p. One's got a matte display, the other one's got a gloss. That's the closest thing I've had to two of the exact same monitor. I'm there. The unboxing of my 27 inch, two of them, Odyssey G7s by Samsung. This here has got a 1440p panel. It's a VA panel, but it's at 240 hertz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time. It's G-Sync compatible, FreeSync compatible, 1000R curvature as well, so it's a quite tight curved monitor. So alright, the reason why I got two of these over a G9, one, the price. Two of these here in Australia come just shy of $2 grand for the two of them. The G9 here in Australia costs, I think it's around $2,700, so significantly more. For the exact same resolution, the exact same size, and the exact same functionality. Not only that, but I much prefer a two monitor setup because it will allow more freedom and flexibility to allow me to snap my windows as I want. Now, I've never used a 27 inch monitor before. I've used like 13, 15 inch monitors, like the old ones you get in like schools or offices, and then 32s. I've never used 27s, but with the aspect ratio it's going to be at 32:9. It's going to be absolutely insane. I'm happy, but you know what? Oh, by the way, it's this Display HDR 600 certified. There we go. Anyway, you don't want to hear me talking about this. You came here to see me unbox this. So let's get to it. See, I've got to be careful because I've got unboxed to the camera, but I've got the knife open. I've got to kind of see through the bottom display, my bottom monitor there. Hey, that's an Acer monitor as well. For some reason I just got three Acer monitors, I don't know why. So, yeah, other ones up there. So good thing is with this monitor, did I just leak information? May have leaked information. So, it's got a USB hub built in, so it's got two USB 3.1 type A's, powered over a USB 3.1 type B. DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1. Obviously, if you want to get the FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility, you want to be using the DisplayPort. You want to make sure you get a DisplayPort 1.4 compatible cable, and also wanting to get a GPU. Haha, I've ordered mine 2 months ago. Still haven't got it. But you want to order a GPU or have something powerful enough that's actually able to push the resolution. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. In the box, we have got installation guide with a very happy looking person. That's my emotions every day. All day. Yeah, forget that. There we go. Oh, that's a big... Oh, it comes with the cable. Ah. Alright, so I'll actually open that up. And Samsung looks like they did include the VESA mount screws. These might be the screws for the stand. I guess we'll find that out. But I wasn't actually sure if it was going to be coming with the any sort of cables apart from the power brick. But in here, you actually got the USB Type A to USB Type B. So you can actually use the monitor as the hub. Not only that, but it comes with the DisplayPort cable. That is an amazing add-on. I wasn't expecting that. You know, props on you, Samsung. And that's like a robust cable. That there, this cable, like that cable, thick. Look at that. That is one thick cable. So let's have a look at the power brick. 100 watt. So it's a 100 watt power brick, yeah. So here we've got is the VESA mount. So yeah, I am going to be VESA mounting these monitors. I believe these, it screws in this way towards the monitor, and these four holes here are actually the VESA mount. So yeah. Solid metal. Ow, that hurt. So let's put that to the side. In here as well is the, looks like a bottom cover plate. Like for the back, yeah. So like a back plate. Just plastic covering there. You can kind of get an idea already how curved the monitor is going to be. That's how curved the back is. Got a stand that is directly like a 90 degree stand, or 45 degrees probably from the monitor itself. Alright, so I think it's a metal, it says metal down the bottom with a toolless installation. It's one of those twist ones, but it's like metal but with a plastic covering on top. Yeah. So I'll be setting this up so you guys can actually see it. Here is the, oh god, that is a solid, oh you know, it's a little bit lighter than what I was thinking, but still got a nice weight to it. This is the actual stand itself. So attach it to the legs to the back of the monitor. Again, I'm only going to set up for this video, but I would normally, I'm going to be wall mounting it, so. Now I believe this has cable management built in, and straight away I can also see a headphone. Oh god, headphone holder. Got the pre-installed screws in here as well. So it's just taped on with some masking tape there, and then at the back. So I can, how do I, oh yeah, so this slides down. Headphone, I don't know why manufacturers put the headphone holder at the back, because it's a bit of a stupid place, because you're not going to reach over. Looks like it's height adjustable, but I'm going to want to get the weight on there. Cable management channel 3 here into the bottom, I'll show you that after. And looks like it just, I think that looks like it's about here. Oh, that is curved. That is really curved. Timber. Okay, so this just requires a standing. So, oh, they've made it like a handle. Look at that. I ripped it. It's not like a handle. Oh, you know what? I don't know how to take this out. Oh, wait, there's a figure it out. Okay. I did not think this through. I did not think this through. I did not think this through. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Can't believe I spent $2,000 on monitors. I'm gonna go break. Oh god. Okay. So, look at that. That's the. Holy god, that is. That is huge. Like the curvature. Like it's a smaller monitor than what I'm kind of used to, but. Alright, so I'll see if I can flip it. Yeah, so you can see down the bottom there, yeah. So, single HDMI 2.1, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type B uplink, USB Type A downlink, I think? I don't know. USB Type A inputs, along with 3.5mm front jack. Now, it's also got RGB built into the monitor. Oh god, I don't want to screw this up. Alright, so I'm going to start disassembling the first one. I'm not going to unbox the second one because I don't want to double up on the video. So, this looks... Oh god, I need a screwdriver. Hold on, I'll be back.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I'm just turning it on. I've just got it plugged in over HDMI into my laptop. Now, let's also FYI, when putting in the backplate at the back, careful because I accidentally broke 2 of the little plastic clips that hold it in because I thought it was more of a slide, but it's more of just a push. So yeah, it's still on there though. So let's change the res of that. Oh, dude. Compared to my laptop, that is nice, man. So, just give me a couple of ticks and I'll just get this all set up and all. Alright, here's a couple of things that I can't really use until I get my 3080. I can't get the full 240Hz refresh rate. My 1060 is just not capable of doing that. Also, it's not DisplayPort 1.4 compatible. It is running at the 1440p, and I have seen 1440p panels before. However, so from what I can see at the moment, this is as good as I'm going to get until I get my graphics card. It's still an amazing monitor, it's got like the nipple down the bottom and it helps navigate and all that, like a very intuitive menu and all that. But I feel like I'm just a little bit in a bottleneck point at the moment because I've got the DisplayPort cables and I can run it from my 1060, but I'm going to be using the exact same settings as I'm using here on my laptop. I can only really push like 60 FPS. I might be able to overclock it a little bit, but I don't want to mess anything up with my current build, and it's all working at the moment. So imagine 2 of these side by side. I'm gonna have the curvature just right, but you know what? It is a beautiful panel from just looking at it. It's got the matte display on there. It seems perfect for me, and also I believe it's is it height? Yeah, height adjustable as well. Height adjustable, swivel, is it? Yeah, so you can go the 90 degree if you want to do it that way. Oh, RGB. This monitor has also got RGB. So if oh god, okay. So if I go menu, scroll down to system, core lighting, so you can see if I go up, yeah, there you go. So you can see it back here, that core lighting. And then I believe, yep, also at the front you got one here and one here, yeah. So, you know, I am happy that I did make this purchase, but unfortunately I can't experience the purchase until I actually can't finish my build. But you know, this is just meant to be an unboxing. It's not meant to be like an unboxing and a very early first impressions. I am happy, and I hope you stay safe, stay well, and stay happy. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and I'll leave the other parts to this series down in the description. This is a 6-part vlog series, build series, desk setup series, and all that. Next video or next episode in this will be all the cable management, actually mounting these to the wall and doing all the cable management behind there, so it's a clean, crisp setup. But yeah, but you know what? Until I feel like I've forgotten something. No, seems alright. But you know what? Until next time, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and stay happy. And I will catch you in the next video. See ya.